My feet are here on Broadway this blessed harvest morn, but oh, the ache that's in them for the spot where I was born. My wearied hands are blistered from work and cold and heat, and oh, to swing a scythe today through fields of Irish wheat. Had I the chance to wander by Corona King's abode, I'd sooner see the hawthorn tree by the old bog road. My mother died last springtime when Ireland's fields were green. The neighbours said her waking was the finest ever seen. There were snowdrops and primroses piled up around her bed, and Fairings Church was crowded when her funeral mass was said. And here was I on Broadway, building bricks by load, when they carried out her coffin down the old bog road. Now life's a weary puzzle, past finding out by man. I take the day for what it's worth and do the best I can. Since no one cares or rush for me, why need I make a moan? I go my way and draw my pay and smoke my pipe alone. Each human heart must know its grief, though bitter be the load. So God be with